Hey there, Scaniflyers. In this video, we'll go over how to add modules to a roof plane. Now, for this example, we've already added roof outlines and keep outs. So now we're ready to get started adding modules. So this roof plane here, this is segment A. We have segment A open already. So now let's select Fill Modules. Okay, great. Notice that we can select and deselect modules now, and you could also move them around using a hotkey or using a call to action to the left here. So let's just remove that module and let's move these modules over. You notice that there's a few guides here as a helpful reference as you're snapping to the modules. So let's remove those and add a few modules in landscape here. So let's do that now. Select add module and select the orientation that you like. Let's see, landscape looks good. Okay, great, looks good. Now let's move these modules over just a bit more. Have a space for that rail. Here we go. Okay, segment C, select Fill Modules. And you can see the fire setbacks are there already, and the modules are out of those keep out zones. Feel free to move these modules around as well. You can select all, Control A, and select M on the keyboard, and you can move these around if you like. Select Escape to exit the highlighting function. Okay, and there you have it. That's adding modules in Scanifly. Thanks so much for watching.